Hello there, Coach Kimmy here. So, hairstylist, if that is you, I want to ask you some questions. All right. So, if you want to be a passionate professional hairstylist, how fast do you want to get to the top? I'm Coach Kimmy, and I love to guide, teach, train, and help hairstylists go to the top. That's my goal, to teach you simple tips and tricks and techniques for hairstyling that makes you a great hairdresser in multiple different haircuts, not just one. I like to give techniques to give you so you could use it on 10 different haircuts. That's the goal, okay? Because techniques are what makes you an artist, right? When you just learn a pattern and you only do that pattern all the time and there's no thoughtfulness in there and there's no creativity, you're just like a machine, right? That's what machines do. They duplicate things. We're not a machine. We're people. We need to have artistry within our, I want to say, our brain, our mind, and our inner being, in a sense of being able to see something and make it better. I like to go from good to great, right? Somebody's hair could be good, but you could make it better. For instance, and I'm going to give you an example of that. When I get my hair cut, I need texture in my hair. Even when I cut my own hair and I cut it straight, and I just cut everything with straight lines. I hated my hair because it had no texture in it. It would go flat in a second. That's why if you put texture in hair and you remove some pieces, it has the flexibility to hold up on top of these little pieces that usually I notch in my hair. Or you could do it with a thinning shear. But I'm going to tell you, that's what sets me apart from other hairstylists. People around the world, thousands and thousands of comments I have on my YouTube channel from people that watch my videos that say nobody knows how to do layers, but really it's the texture and the layers. They know how to do layers, some of them. In schools, they don't really teach you that anymore. I mean, I learned it young, and I actually didn't learn it in school. I actually learned it from a guy, Richie from Tangles, that really taught me how to do sly layering, it was called. And I watched him. I shadowed him. And that's what you guys are to me, right? You shadow me. You watch me. When I'm cutting, why am I doing it? How am I standing? What am I doing? Right? That's why I like to get close in on the camera so that you could see exactly what I'm doing. And I explain it so that you could get it up here, right? Because it took me a while to understand how to get everything in up here, out of here. You know, when I teach my girls, I tell them, listen, duplicate your top 5 best haircuts, ones that you love doing. But you got to think about, how do you do it? How do you section it? So that's why I came up with the beach ball pattern, because I thought, okay, this is the sectioning I do for all my layered haircuts, like a good 80 to 90%. So it became a beach ball pattern that really helped me get any layered haircut that I wanted. And I do it a lot, but it's also my clientele because they love those haircuts. They love the texture. They love the notching. They love the things that I do. So now it's your turn that you could shadow me. But this is what I want you to know too. I love to help walk alongside you. I know somebody asked me to do a straight back, a round back, or a V back. And that's basically where you're standing. That's very simple. So I'll do that for you too. But I want to say, how do you want to get to the top? You need to ask yourself some questions. Where am I? Are you a cosmetology student? Are you a hairstylist that's kind of stuck and you just haven't grown and you haven't learned more things? Listen, hair is limitless. Limitless. You need to keep going and growing and never stopping. I still learn today new techniques and new things because I love hair. Hair is passion. I'm passionate about hair. It's so incredible, the different things that you could do with hair. It's just amazing. So anyway, let's just go on to here. Okay, so we want to ask the question, how much education did you get from school? You're going to write down how much education you got from school. What are the things you learned in school? And then you want to get step number 2. What's your next steps getting to the top? Now, there's different ways to get there. Okay, so listen, if you want to crawl, casual, once every 3 months, you watch and learn about hair. That is crawling. Okay, but to me, if you want to be a hairstylist and you want to make money and you want to change people's beautiful appearance and look and learn so much, this is, you're not going to be in the game. You're really going to make the least amount of money and you're probably going to drop out and not even want to do it. So I would not be a crawler, and I encourage anyone to not crawl, especially if you're not a baby. Exactly. All right, so walk. A little focused. Once a month, watch something about hair. Okay, you know, they'll survive, but they're not going to be, you know, making great money and being passionate about it. That's for sure. Number 3, running. Medium focused. Once every 2 weeks, learn about hair. That means you can watch videos and whatever. You just keep learning new techniques about hair, and you should use your 5 senses to do it. We got imprinted as babies when we used our 5 senses: what we see, what we smell, what we taste, what we hear, and what we touch. So when you really want to wire something in a lot better, you need to use your 5 senses. You look at what you're watching, you write down what you're watching, you take notes. Now you're seeing the notes. Now you can see them out loud, you're hearing it. So that is going to be such a great way to imprint a new hair technique. It really makes a difference by using your 5 senses. So just remember, when you're watching something, get the reflection of what did you learn in that haircut. Write it down and then say it over and over again. I like this. It's called Parrot app. And I love it because if you say something in that Parrot app, it will repeat it over and over and over and over again. And I think repetition is how we become a pro, right? We just have to keep repeating it, just like a song. When we hear a song and we catch the vibration and the beat of that song, we start to like it. It's like, oh, I like that song. So there is one that's called These Beautiful Things. You guys know that, I'm sure. And if you don't, you should listen to it. It's great. First time I listened to it, I was like, oh, that's kind of a cool song. I watched the video too. So then I listened to it again, and then I caught it even more. And then I listened to it again and again and again and again, and then I knew all the words. So after I learned that song, I also had my daughter listen to it. And now I kept putting it on. So the baby loves replay, right? Miss Rachel is a billionaire because of babies, because they love to watch the same thing again and again and again. But why? Repetition makes an imprint. Do you understand? Same thing with hair. You gotta repeat. Practice, and it will imprint. And then you're gonna become a pro. You'll become the expert that you wanna be. A professional who knows what they're doing, who knows how to talk to people about their hair, right? These are all skills and techniques that you could develop. You can grow and learn. That's why it's so important to keep growing. So, running. Every 2 weeks, learn about hair. That's still not enough. A car. Pretty focused. 1 to 2 days a week learning and growing in hair. Love a car. A car is going to make money. They're going to probably be a little above average. But a train, laser focused 3 to 5 days a week learning and growing in your skill set towards hair. All right, 3 to 5 days a week. So you want to think, what do you do with your time? Are you scrolling on Facebook, Instagram, but you're not really watching hair? And like, not just watching hair, but writing notes on what you're watching. Remember, you got to use your thinking mind. There's the subconscious and the conscious mind is on the right side. They're left and right brain. You want to separate them to know the autopilot is your subconscious mind. Your conscious mind is the one that you're learning new things. But if you really want to learn it better, you have to imprint it, right? You have to use your 5 senses to write it down, and you're going to imprint it much faster and much quicker. I promise you're going to get to where you want to go a lot faster to get to that top. Look, wouldn't you like to make $700,000 as a hairstylist? Yeah. All right, so a plane. Laser focus 3 to 5 days a week. You learn watching hair. So you're really going a lot more here. Oh, okay. So, well, a plane actually you would do 5 to 7 days a week. So that is a little mistake right there. I just had this made for you guys, and I didn't realize I didn't look at that one. But anyway, that would be really watching it every day. Every day you watch some kind of hair, you're writing it down, you're practicing. You will be a way above average hairstylist. You're going to go definitely to the top very fast. Now a rocket. Laser focused every single day. You will be learning some aspects of hair 7 days a week and multiple times a day. Right? So here, look, watching haircuts. B, you could watch color, watch highlights and patterns, watch balayage and patterns to balayage, learn how to take pictures, because that's another big thing, right? So these are the things that can help you to figure out, what do you want to do next? You have to think, do you want to learn social media? Do you want to learn how to do haircuts first? Do you want to learn how to do color first? Do you want to learn how to do highlights? Each thing is its own thing. It's not that you could just learn it all one shot. You have to master one thing at a time. And then you put it on here of what you're mastering, right? And then you learn Instagram class. You could take an Instagram class. Take a Facebook class on how to market yourself, right? When you want to learn to grow. But you got to master your skills first before you market yourself as a hairstylist. And then H, learn TikTok or Reels. Learn your products. Products should probably be higher up there, because I'm going to tell you, a professional hairstylist teaches people about their hair. Now, did you hear what I said? Yes, a professional hairstylist is the hair doctor. You are a hair doctor. You need to know and understand and learn about hair enough to be able to share with people, what is their hair thick? Is it thin? Is it coarse? Is it fine? How much cuticle they have in that hair. So even when you color hair, is it stubborn, or is it resistant, stubborn, or is it very easy to take? With highlights, now this is the thing, when you do highlights in hair, if it takes real easy, it has a very small amount of cuticle in that hair, because there's about, I think, 7 to 14 layers of cuticle. Now, if it is really hard to lift up when you're highlighting, I would say 14 levels in that cuticle. So that's the thing. That's why it has to go through levels. So that's a whole nother class. So I'm not going to teach that, but I just want you to understand, you need to be a hair doctor. You need to learn the things about hair that are important, right? So anyway, this is Coach Kimmy. I just wanted to share that with you. If you want to be at the top, you need to make sure that you develop your steps and master one thing at a time. And sometimes it takes 30 days, 60 days, 90 days. Sometimes it takes a whole year. It depends on your learning and how you learn. But I promise you, if you do your 5 senses, you write it, and every time you watch something, what they're doing, how to do it, and then practice it, you're going to do great. So how do you want to get to the top? Do you want to crawl, walk, run, in a car, in a train, in a plane, or in a rocket? So stay tuned. I'm going to do another video after this to help you with questions that I'm going to ask you, so that you could really think about those questions. It's going to help you a tremendous amount. This is Coach Kimmy, and please, if you like this, subscribe, press the subscribe button. And we always have extra videos. And I also wrote a book called The Secrets of a Great Hairstylist. I give you mindset in there, and I give you lessons of things that I should have not done that I did when I was young. And I learned, failing forward. I learned a lot through those bad failures. And so I teach you what not to do and then what to do. And then I also give you mindset in that book. So you can get it on Amazon, The Secrets of a Great Hairstylist. And what else? I think that's it. Because my people tell me, Kimmy, you didn't tell people to subscribe, because I forget. Because I don't, not that I don't care, because I love when you subscribe to me, because I want to keep teaching you and growing you and showing you. But I just forget, because I'm thinking if people like you, they're just going to want to subscribe anyway. So this is Coach Kimmy. I hope you guys have a great day.